Hello viewer, if your YouTube comments are turned off, let's see how to fix YouTube comments problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. From the lower corner, force stop YouTube app. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. For iPhone user, please archive your YouTube app and then restore it for clearing cache data. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. From here, make sure your YouTube app is updated. If your YouTube app is not updated, please update your YouTube app. Please follow these 2 steps to fix YouTube comments are turned off automatically or YouTube comments problem.